What is the meaning of the English idiom, get blood out of a stone? In brief, the saying get blood out of a stone or get blood from a stone means trying to do something that's nearly impossible. Expanded definition: this vivid metaphor is used to describe an impossible, futile, or extremely difficult task, particularly when trying to extract something from someone unwilling or unable to give it. Here are 4 common contexts. 1. Financial. The clip art image shows an elderly man in a dimly lit restaurant avoiding leaving a tip for the waiter. The sentence example reads, "He very rarely tips. Trying to get money from him is like trying to get blood out of a stone." In other words, trying to get something from an unwilling person. The second context in which the idiom get blood out of a stone is used is informational. The picture shows a therapist with her client sitting on a sofa opposite her with a blank facial expression. The sentence example reads, "The therapist said that getting her to share information about her childhood was like trying to get blood out of a stone." In this case, the client was either unable or unwilling to give the information the therapist wanted. Before we continue to the third context, a quick reminder. Continually improve your English by subscribing to this channel. Just click the subscribe button, the bell icon, and then all. Now, the third context in which you can use get blood out of a stone is an emotional setting. The image shows an office worker with a defiant look on his face. The sentence reads, "Trying to get him to apologize is like trying to get blood out of a stone." So getting this person to apologize is an extremely difficult task. Finally, work and effort is the fourth typical context in which get blood out of a stone is used. The picture shows a project manager trying to motivate a member of his team. The sentence reads, "The project manager found that trying to push her to work faster was worse than trying to get blood out of a stone." So remember, get blood out of a stone means to demand or attempt to obtain something from someone who does not have it or is extremely reluctant to give it. The emphasis is on futility. Just as a stone cannot produce blood, the person or situation cannot yield the desired result. The 4 typical contexts we considered are financial, informational, emotional, work and effort. It's probably true to say that the idiom get blood out of a stone is not as common as other English idioms. So set yourself apart as an English speaker by integrating into your everyday conversation and vocabulary this idiom. Has this video helped you? Then like, share or comment now. And build a powerful English vocabulary with my free course on Udemy. Just go to goodenglish.online.